Alright guys, this is a very simple YZ125 transmission oil change video. Quick and easy. One of the most important things you could do to your two-stroke often, and also one of the easiest. So I've got it on a triangle here where I can access the drain plug. It's directly underneath. And on this one, I think it's a 19 socket. Got me a drain under there. So I'm just gonna pop that drain plug out first of all. Pretty black. It was definitely due to change. Now, while I'm waiting on that to drain, I'm gonna get my fresh oil and a measuring cup. Alright guys, I got that drain. I've got my quick mix cup here. It's got the CCs on the side. This 97 YZ125 takes 650 cc. So, first thing I'm gonna do is put my drain plug back in. All right guys, we've got I've got 500 measured out here. I think this thing calls for 650. It's got it right here on the side. Right there above the kicker. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put in my 500 and another 150. There's my first 500. Measure out another 150. And there, that's all it takes. So my drain plug's back in, my oil's in. Got 650 cc's in there. Got my plug, put it back on, and that is it for changing the transmission oil on a YZ125. So thanks guys, hope this helps somebody out.